We're at the Ulster Canoe Festival.
And Adam and I are running the Bushcraft course, so we'll keep you tuned into it anyway and hope you enjoy the video.
Hi guys, it's Adam from Fermanagh Dad and Son Outdoors. Today we're at the Ulster Canoe Festival at the Share Centre in Fermanagh. We're going to be running a bushcraft base, and yeah, hopefully it's good.
Yeah, so what we'll do is we'll set up now, and then we'll bring the camera around and we'll have a look at what we're going to be doing with the participants. But it's basically an introduction to bushcraft and the methodology behind bushcraft. So I hope you enjoy the video. We just have a wee fire off the ground just to show them about leave no trace. So we're just using a Asda barbecue box, and it's just perfect for what we need. And there's Adam.
Looking for firewood
again. Yeah, looking for firewood. And we have our millbank bag up to show them about water. And this is the way we have it just set up here now. We have our whiteboard up. Adam has his table set up, just so we're just going to go over just our bushcraft and skills that you can learn, as well as all our animal pelts. Right, so what I'm going to do is we're just practicing some tarpology or tarp setups. So we're going to do a simple one that I do quite regularly is the plough point. So all you have is one piece of cordage, length of paracord, 550 paracord with a loop in one end. So you put it round the tree and you go back in through the loop. Now what we need to do then is we need to tie a toggle on it. So a simple way to tie a toggle on it is we do what's known as a marlin spike. And the marlin spike's very simple not to learn. So to do the marlin spike, Adam, if you come a bit closer, right? So we form a loop over the top, and what we do then is we get that loop and we go upwards, and the piece of the leading end, you put in your spike, just like that, and you pull. And what that does is that forms a really solid knot, and you can actually use that to pull, and that will not give. So that's called a marlin spike. So just quickly show you again. So loop over, up and through here and pull, and that's your marlin spike. Right, so we have a multicam 3x3. So we're going to use the toggle. So what we do, we just place the toggle right through the loop like so and lock her down, and that's it locked. So that's the end connected to the tree. So we now go to the back of our diamond shape, or our plough point, which is here, and take out a peg, place it down firmly into the ground, like so. Get another peg. And this setup is really good to use Especially when they're fertile, there's lots and lots of trees like this. And the other side. So, great shelter, great space, Plough Point. One of my favourite in the tarpology series, and a very simple 3x3. Plenty of space for myself and Adam if we wanted to stay out tonight.
So what you're just going to do is, you're just going to, again, put your elbows in your knees, and then you're just slightly just pushing away like that. And you just want to make just around the edge of it here.
Does that help stop the...
Stop from going into like a mushroom.
Ah,
Splitting and stuff. So.
Watching Fermanagh Dad and Son Outdoors, and remember to hit the subscribe button below. Also, you can give us a like for the video and even leave us a comment.